Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website in Hostinger. First, you'll want to choose the right hosting plan for your project, whether it's a small blog or a large e-commerce store. Then, pick a memorable domain name that truly reflects your brand. After that, you can easily install WordPress with just a few clicks or opt for Hostinger's intuitive drag-and-drop website builder to get started quickly. Once your platform is ready, it's time to design your site. Choose a professional theme or template that resonates with your brand's aesthetic. Personalize the layout, colors, and fonts to create a unique look and feel. Remember to include crucial pages such as an About Us section, a contact page, and a compelling homepage to guide your visitors. Now, focus on your content. Develop engaging, high-quality material that truly speaks to your target audience. Ensure all images and videos are optimized for quick loading times, which significantly improves user experience. Don't forget to implement basic search engine optimization techniques to help your website rank higher and attract more visitors naturally. Before launching, thoroughly test every aspect of your website, from forms to navigation, ensuring everything works perfectly. Once live, set up analytics to track your traffic and understand user behavior, which is crucial for future improvements. Regularly update your content and software to keep your site secure and fresh. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.